In this video, you'll be learning 5 useful ChatGPT Chrome extensions that can help you enhance your productivity. And before you can have access to this, you firstly want to sign up with OpenAI, right? Just go to chat.openai.com and you sign up using your email. It is very, very easy. Let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Olabisi Ashishana. I am an online entrepreneur, a content creator. In this channel, I share tips, strategies, and opportunities you can leverage on to make money online. If content like this interests you, do well to support this channel by subscribing, by liking the video, and also by sharing to friends and family. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the business of today. Like I said in the thumbnail, I'm going to teach you 5 Chrome extensions that is going to change the game for you, make your work very, very easy, and make your life very, very easy. I'm sure you're excited, right? So the first Chrome extension I want to check out is called ChatGPT Sidebar. ChatGPT Sidebar. So you want to go to this place where you see extension there. Come here and come to manage extension. Once you're here, you want to come to these 3 dots here. And come to Open Chrome Web Store. Now, this is an extension. You want to type in ChatGPT Sidebar. PT. You can see it's already coming out, already popping out for us. So Sidebar. And this is the first one, yes, ChatGPT Sidebar. So you want to add it to your extension. I already have it, so you can see you can see remove from Chrome. I already have installed it. So what's the function of this ChatGPT Sidebar, right? So let's go to our Google Docs. Let's say I'm on Google Docs and I'm writing something. Once you install it, you'll be seeing it by the side. Even though you're using Microsoft Word to do your editing, you'll be seeing it by the side. This is it here. Do you understand? So I've posted something here and I can come here and you can see these ask prompts. What are the kind of prompts that you can summarize? I can ask it to summarize. So I can ask similar pages, grammar, check grammar. Okay, let's make it check grammar. So let's say grammar. Then I copy this. And paste it here, right? Then submit. Unlock your financial potential in this broker, your path to prosperity. You can see it has checked the grammar for us. So apart from that, we can still summarize this. This come here and write summarize, right? So we're going to submit. You're giving a prompt on what to do. So it makes your work easier. You can see it has actually summarized this. And we can also ask it to do different things. There are a lot of prompts we can ask it to do. Well, once you come here, this is another explain. You can ask it to rewrite it, translate, right? So let's click on translate. Here's the following content. So where do we paste content to? Let's put let's say French, right? Of which you can also use the prompt up here to do this. You can see, right? It has translated this into French. This is interesting, right? Especially for those of us writing on Amazon and we would like to translate to maybe Spanish, French, or any language. This is very, very interesting. So that's one extension you want to start using immediately and make your life easy, right? You don't want to joke with it. So let's move to the second extension. The second extension we'll be talking about today is known as ChatGPT for search engines. ChatGPT for search engines. So you want to go to extensions the same way, then come to these 3 dots here, come to this Open Chrome Web Store, then you want to type in ChatGPT for search engine. for search engine. You can see, just click on it and it's out, right? This is it here. So you want to click on this one here. I already have it. So it said remove from Chrome. I already have it. So what's the function of this? Let's go to our Chrome and type in what is malnutrition. Still loading. You can see this. You can see what I'm trying to show you here. It's even citing, where we can get more topics on malnutrition for us. You can see this. A lot of things are popping up, but you can see this. You can see this. This is what Cider telling us. And you can also ask ChatGPT. Let's see. This is also another definition. And that's because we installed what? ChatGPT for search engine, right? So apart from that, we're going to go to the next one, which is called AIPRM extension. AIPRM extension. Same way you want to go back to your settings, manage extensions, come to your open Chrome web store, and you want to come here and type in A. With this, you don't need any prompts again for ChatGPT. So you want to type them in. So AIPRM for ChatGPT, you want to click on that, and this is it here. This one here, AIPRM for ChatGPT. So once you click on it, you can say I already have it installed. So this is it here. So now what's the function of this? Yeah. Now let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, so once you install AIPRM, this is the interface you're going to see. And AIPRM actually give you about 800 prompts. You can see these prompts are already made for you. They're already done for you. Human written 100% unique SEO optimized. You can see over 800 prompts already for you. You write article, there's also a plagiarism checker there, and all and all and all. So in case you are looking for something and you can't find it, or okay, now let's come here. You can see copywriting, DevOps, marketing, different categories. So SEO is what we're doing. Model, top, all these ones, you can just leave them there. But you can also come here and search. Let's say we are looking for Amazon. You see, we just typed in Amazon, and a lot of Amazon listed title, bullet points, and description. The Amazon affiliate review, SEO optimized article. These are done for you prompts that you can use. 100% SEO optimized. Page 1 rank Amazon listing creator. Create a fully optimized Amazon listing that is sure to rank. Okay, good. So different KDP Amazon competitor. You can see that Amazon product listing optimization, Amazon KDP title and description, Amazon introduction of it. Just different prompts already listed for you. So you can just go and search the one that relates to you. Like this Amazon listing title, you see people already using it. These are people that are already using it, people giving it thumbs up, people liking it, people dropping comments on the prompt. So these are things that makes your work very, very easy, right? And you don't want to sleep on it. These are extensions you want to download immediately, right? Immediately. So the next one I'm going to be showing you is going to blow your mind, right? Yes, blow your mind. So nicely go back to your extension, manage extension the same way, and go to let me quickly show you this the particular one so you won't make mistake. So once you're here, you want to type in YouTube summary with ChatGPT. YouTube summary, YouTube summary ChatGPT or YouTube summary ChatGPT. So once you are here, this is the one we are going to download, YouTube summary with ChatGPT. So this one, I already have it here, and that is it. So now let's go to our YouTube channel, right? Let's go to our YouTube channel. So for those of us, that get content from YouTube, this is the best way, to make your work very, very easy. Now, so here we are. Here we are. Let's go and play a video. Let's play this video. Now, this is a video and it is playing. So, you want to come to this transcript and summary here, right? And we want to come to this transcript and summary here, you want to click on ChatGPT. So, click on this and let's see the magic. Using ChatGPT, right? Let's not forget my name is Olabisi Ashishana and I'm all interesting, right? You can see it has actually summarized that video. This is interesting, right? It has summarized the video from the topic to the content, but you also want to make sure that you go through it. It has actually summarized that video. So for some of us that write on Amazon and we get our content from YouTube, this is actually a very, very good way to get your content without stressing yourself, right? I'm sure you're excited about this too, right? So let's go to the last. Let's go to the final one, the last extension known as Super Power ChatGPT, the Oga Pata Pata of them all, right? Interesting. So you want to do the same format, and let me quickly show you the exact one you have to, install. If you're getting value from this video, do what to like this video, subscribe to this channel by support this channel. So Super Power, you can see the prompt on the Super Power ChatGPT. So this is the Oga Pata Pata of them all, and this is the one you want to download. So this remove from Chrome. I want to download. So now, after you've installed it, let's go to our ChatGPT. So here we are on ChatGPT. Although between this superpower ChatGPT and AIPRM, you can just install one of them. You don't have to use the two of them. Do you understand? Because they are both good, right? But I use superpower ChatGPT. I use superpower ChatGPT. I prefer this. Do you understand? So now we are on. I've installed superpower ChatGPT. I've showed this the precise one you can install, and this is the interface is going to show you. You're gonna take a time to sync into your browser. Never mind, just take your time. Then you want to come here. Okay, this is the interface you're going to get. So you want this tone, authoritative, clinical, concise, cool. With AIPRM, you can only get emotional and default. But with this, you can get different tone that you want your work to come out with: sympathetic, persuasive, pessimistic, optimistic. That's one of the reasons I prefer this. And the writing style too, argumentative, descriptive, different styles you can pick from here. And apart from that, you can also come here and pick different languages: Spanish, French, Arabic. This is your pata pata of them all. So if you're getting value from this video, do well to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, support this channel. Now let me change something here. Let me come here and click Spanish, right? And yeah, I want to come and write, what is malnutrition? You can see this. It's teaching me in Spanish. Interesting. Now let's say we are writing, okay, generate 5 topics for me. Okay, generate 5 topics on malnutrition. You can say with this, you don't necessarily have to go to Google Translate, start using Google Translate to translate all bit by bit. No, you can write your words directly in Spanish, in French, whatever you want to do, right? Now, it has generated 5 topics. Now, this is interesting, right? Okay, let me copy this and I want to generate an outline on this topic. You can see this. It's going to generate my outline for me in Spanish, right? This is so interesting. So if you got value from this video, that's why I use super power chat GPT. And you can also, I mean, you can also use other ones, right? Oh, okay, so now it's network. You can see this. I'm sure you're more than excited for this. So you want to make sure you start using all this Chrome extension. Now the YouTube summary for your YouTube, and either this or AI PRM for your chat GPT, and you also want to use your sidebar chat GPT. Do you understand? So if you got value from this video, do want to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and support this channel. Thank you very much. God bless you.